last video you saw us leaving to Chiloe. Here we are in the Golfo di Corcovado with 10 knots of wind from the east, which is very rare. Upon arriving to Chiloe, we find out that the lockdown means that we cannot go onto shore, and so we start to feel the true effect of the pandemic. Part of the reason I'm sailing around the world is so I can visit beautiful islands like this, and although you can experience the beauty from the sea, it's not quite the same visiting an island you're not allowed on. So it's a shame that I won't be able to see Chiloe for all of its interior beauty, only see the exterior sailing view, which is beautiful. We spend one night at anchor in Estero Huildedad, on the southeast of the island. Then we move on to KN, and a friend on shore has some beers for us. What happens when you mix beer with lockdown? This happens.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, Tanya, when did you last let your heart decide a whole new world?
Once we arrive in Castro, the capital of the island, and the place where two of my crew would like to leave, we are met with the Armada, who are unnecessarily hard to work with. After an hour of discussion, the girls finally leave to go home. Now there are 3 of us. After 3 months of harsh conditions, windy, cold and very wet, it starts to take its toll on the equipment. The water maker breaks and the screws on the forestay sheaves are coming loose. The windlass has started to short and we start to feel the need of a marina so that we can work on the boat and have some time to relax. The problem is, because of the pandemic, no marinas would receive us. Here you can see Renata climbing the forestay, fixing the screws that hold together the sheath. We use this technique because currently I haven't figured out a way for me to climb solo up the forestay. It's easy enough for 2 people, one to climb the forestay and another to winch them up, and gets the job done a lot quicker.
Really windy.
We find a marina receiving foreign boats. We make a beeline to it. We are all preparing to spend a few months at shore to fix the boat, buy spares and plan our trip to Easter Island.